Hey, what's up you guys? Corey, Mr. Safety here, and look, I have to admit right off the bat that this is in fact a cute kitty video, because what he was doing was so funny I just could not help but film it, and I know some of you guys out there would like to watch it. So what he was doing kind of reminded me of Chuck Norris, because you know how Chuck Norris wakes up every morning and kicks himself in the face to give himself a beard trim, and only Chuck Norris can cut Chuck Norris? Well, that kind of reminded me of Sparta, because only Sparta can defeat a Sparta. So watch this video. I know you guys are going to find it funny. Check it out. Okay, so that is the last cute kitty video that I'm ever gonna do, hopefully. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.